So, it's not really a question who wins this one. You know who it is already. You know Sony takes the lead. I'm sorry for you Canon users. This is not a fair test whatsoever. The cameras came out about 2 years apart from each other. It's been about 4 years since the 80D was released, about 2 since the A7 III came out. It's not really about that. It's about looking at two images side by side, seeing exactly when the Canon starts to fall apart and deteriorate in low light. Because if you're like me, you can look at specs all day and, you know, the stop and a half of dynamic range and the... For you Sony users out there, this is a great opportunity to appreciate the gear that you have. And if you're Canon and you're wanting to switch to Sony for this reason, you'll have exactly the reason to do so. For the Canon, I'm using the L series 24-70 f2.8. And for the Sony, we're looking at the Tamron 70-200 f2.8. To compensate for the different sensor sizes, I'm setting the Canon to 43mm, which comes out roughly to 70 on the full frame camera. The goal is to shoot with a very gradable image in mind. So the Canon is set to neutral with the sharpness and contrast set all the way down. The Sony is set to HLG3, giving us a nice flat picture profile to start grading. To make things fair, both cameras are set to 1080p, 24 frames per second. Here's some footage. Thanks so much for checking out the video. I hope it was helpful for you to see the two images put side by side. We're trying to make it an enjoyable experience and make it also useful for you so that you're confident on your shoots when you go out there. But if you'd like to support the channel, we'd really appreciate that. Again, thanks for your time and happy shooting.